Wait, and what you in?
Big black nigga, in the icy wild.
Okay.
Shoes on the cool, bitch, I got a Nike shop. Got a profit, you can bring them in a Nike box. Grinding in my drawers, kick them out that Nike high.
Swish, nigga.
I'm swimming in the yellow beer. In the crab, 9-11, nigga, devil lit. Red beans, made that pussy nigga sick. Thought he was bulletproof till he got hit the field. Drop bomb, all of it, nigga, dope. Make it come back, even harder than before. Baby, I'm the only one that breaks the car. Walking like they got hitters off in that.
When you got prepared, I just had everything inside the chair, like, go look at it.
Name tag music.
Hip-hop! Who the fuck you think you fucking with? I'm the fucking 745. People coming. I'm in the distribution. I'm like, I got the motherfuckers like Crusher. I know Pablo. Noriega, the real Noriega. He owe me 100 favors. Ain't petty, nigga. We buy the whole. See most of my niggas water. My room bag. My money cry. In the choppers when you see the car.
What the fuck you did?
I try to let them pussy niggas eat. I'm trying to make them pussy boys stick. I took the court and key to Polk County. All my Central Florida niggas straight body. Broke down and pick up at the bar, Joe. Bell blade, box Chevy on the car phone. Jayville, I went and bought a car, Joe. Back to the crib where I get it by the car.
You for representing for Fulton County, Fayette, Atlanta. We love you, brother.
Thank you, my brother.
The proclamation reads as follows. Whereas William Leonard Roberts II, professionally known as Rick Ross, is an entrepreneur, philanthropist, and Grammy-nominated recording artist whose contributions to the music and entertainment industry, business and community development have left a lasting impact on fans all around the world and Georgia's tourism and economy. And whereas Rick Ross began working at a local car wash in Miami at the age of 13, which nurtured his love for automobiles, he gained an appreciation for vehicle maintenance and detailing and immersed himself into the world of cars. And whereas the Rick Ross Car and Bike Show is held at his sprawling, resolved that the Fulton County Board of Commissioners recognizes Rick Ross for his contributions through the arts and entertainment industry and for his dedication and his passion for all things automotive. And does hereby proclaim today, Saturday, June 7th, 2025, as Rick Ross Car and Bike Show Appreciation Day in Fulton County, Georgia. Let's hear it, y'all.
Thank you, my brother. Thank everybody for coming through, baby.
Hold on.
It means a lot, baby.
Recognizing you, William Leonard Roberts II. We all know, as you've heard, everything that you've accomplished. But I want you to know that the state of Georgia and Representative Deborah Basemore recognizes your work. And I do appreciate your work. And I just want you to keep coming back. And because I live right down the street from you, I'll be visiting you sometimes. Fitting and proper that this remarkable individual be appropriately honored during this special time. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yo, 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 yo.